So, a brief resume of the history of Tilley hats. Alex Tilley, in the 1980s, was sailing the Great Lakes in Canada, his home sailing territory. He was on the lookout for a sailing hat and decided that he couldn't find anything that would actually do the job properly for him. So he decided to design it himself. So what he did, he came up with the T3 Tilley hat, the one that I got holding here in my hand. And his specification was, there were several specifications were, one, it had to have ultimate sun protection. Secondly, it couldn't blow off in the wind. Thirdly, if by any chance he did throw it over the side, then it had to float. And fourthly, most importantly as well, is that it had to be very hard wearing material and last as long as it possibly could. Okay, so we have the T3 original Tilley hat, which I have in my hand here. It's, as I said, is made of a cotton duck material, which although not 100% waterproof, is very, very good at spray and rain repellent. It also has quite a nice wide brim with a pop-up, so you can hide away the sides if you don't want it. Other designs then followed, and the T5 was the next one on the agenda. This one has actually got a more of a curved brim to give it a more interesting shape. Same material, same brass eyelets, same as everything else. Okay. Then the other design that followed was the LTM5 and the LTM6, which are made of a nylon material, a nylanium material, which is a lighter weight material, and it is preferred for hotter temperatures, warmer climes, basically. All the styles that we have here have, most importantly, a sun protection factor of 50 plus. Probably the best sun protection that you can get. Also, to prevent the hat being blown off in the wind, they do have this adjustable head straps, wind cord as they call it, which can be adjusted by pulling these back and forth. The cord that's got the knots in it is the one that goes behind your head, comme ça, and then the other one goes underneath your chin, making it virtually impossible for the hat to fall off. If, however, you decide that you've forgotten to put the cord on, then the hat will float. It has got a little buoyancy aid in here. It's a buoyancy aid for the hat, not for you, just for the hat. It also has got a little secret pocket in here, so you can put your name and address in there in case you lose it, or you put your bit of extra money if you're going to swim ashore to go to a cafe or something like that. But most of all these Tilley hat styles have got a lifetime guarantee because of the way that they are built and the way then the material that they're used. Tilley are very happy to offer a lifetime guarantee. What size of Tilley hat is good for you? And one way of doing this is to measure your head at home with a tape measure like this, and put the tape measure around your head horizontally to the ground. Measuring in, I'm doing it in inches here, is 23 inches around my head. There is a chart on the website that actually tells you how to convert 23 inches into the size of hat that you need, or very roughly you can divide that by 3, and that will give you the diameter of the hat, your head, and that in my case would be about 7 3/8, and the hat size is on the label just here. So when you visit Marine Superstore in order to buy your Tilley hat, do try it on. Highly recommended to try it on. If it is too tight, it's obvious it is too tight, then it's no good. It's too small. If, however, on the other side of the coin, it's too loose, it will actually fall off your head, and that would not be the right size either. So that determines it. Tilley often suggests that you put it on and put a couple of fingers on your forehead to give you the roughly idea, the size that you need. Okay.